Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. It's that time, turkey time. So I'm gonna smoke a turkey today. I got a 20 pounder and this bad boy's already brined. So let's just cut this bad boy open. I usually get the butter balls, but I've never had one of these. So I wanted to check it out. 20 pounder, guys. This is a huge bird. Has some type of marks here. Maybe the bird just had birthmarks. So it has this plastic here. We're gonna go ahead and remove it. We don't need it. Still got some ice. Still kind of frozen. It's been thawing in the fridge 4 days already. The neck can make a nice chicken stock or some gravy. More ice. Man, this bad boy's cold. Usually you get a little surprise in here, little gift. There you go. Got the giblets in there. So we're gonna take out this thermometer that they have in here for us. All right, remove this. So basically, smoke a turkey, right? How hard can it be? I'm just gonna clean it up like if I would clean up a piece of steak, right? Or some type of meat. Just take off the excess fat here in the neck area. As you can see, there's a little bit more than I need. Just cut right here. It's pretty good right there. Right here in the tail, we're gonna go ahead and knock this off because the legs were tucked in right here. I don't need that either. All this can be for a stock for sure. Damn, this is a big bird, guys. Got another surprise in here. See what's coming out. More yellow, more ice. I'm gonna go ahead and make a compound butter. So it's unsalted butter. I got some thyme, rosemary, and some sage. I'm gonna go ahead and season up the compound butter. Some seasonings, some Don Sazon, and then some black pepper. Under the skin right here, and try to be careful not to rip the skin itself. So we're gonna get under. And just lather the butter all over the bird. Butter in here. And just push it through and work it. Let it sit right there. Right on top of the breast. Get some more butter, put it inside the leg. I'm gonna go ahead and put a full onion inside the cavity just so it can hold its shape. The wings, well, tuck them in, right? Here, we're gonna get some butcher's twine. We're gonna tie this bad boy up. Just a simple knot. Using this bird up. Be generous. I like being generous. Let's go inside the cavity. Don Sazon. My favorite seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke this guy on some red oak on my Meadow Creek smoker, 20 pounder. 20 pounder. Hijo manos. It's gonna be a long cook. We got the temperature at 300. Pretty close to 300, a little over 300. Check out the bird. I do have a water pan in there. See if you can catch this. Nice water pan. Not only that, it'll be easy cleanup for me. I do have my meter plus in there. It's gonna help us keep track of this bird. 37 internal, 165 target. So my first probe is for the breast and my second probe is for the thigh. So let's get this baby cooked. Beautiful bird. I gotta say that. Starting to get crispy. Pretty crispy. So here's our compound butter. And all I did was get a skewer. See. All I did is get a skewer and then just dice some butcher's twine around it. So I got the rosemary and the thyme. And we're gonna baste the bird. Do this side so we can see this. Gonna add more flavor to it. Damn, smells good. Smells real good. Just paint it on there. Paint the thermometer. It's gorgeous, guys. Really, really nice. Four hours and a half. All right, just go down the leg. And this rested for 45 minutes. Let's get this leg right here. Try to find that joint. Pop it right off. All I'm trying to do is run the knife, oops, along the side. Slice against the grain. All right, let's see this middle piece here. It is hot, guys, real hot. Very juicy, no doubt. No doubt. Let's cut a little piece off. Let's try this out. Well, you guys can see, right? It's just dripping juice. Look at that. Just picking it up. We'll just be straight up savage today. This is even better. That turkey leg, hands down. I thought the breast was good. Wow. But this turkey leg, freaking even better. Thank you guys for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. And I want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving from my family to your family. Gracias. Oh, don't forget to hit that like button if you guys like this video and leave a comment.